the moment, Delhi police personnel left Arvind Kejriwal's house at about 2 in the morning. According to sources, the police have taken a dump of some CCTV cameras. Delhi police might also be reaching the Chief Minister's house once again today for further investigation. According to sources, Delhi police have taken a dump of the CCTV footage which was installed at the entry and at the exit points. Visuals that you see on your screens coming in at late night at about 2 a.m. Delhi police personnel can be seen leaving Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house. My colleague Milan is still with me. Milan, the million-dollar question is what's right, what's wrong, what's true, what's false. That's what's going on everyone's mind. We have seen a video coming out, claims and counterclaims galore at the moment.
Yeah, Aishwarya, pretty much we've been discussing how this particular case is just opening layer by layer, because first you saw how Swati Maliwal came out and recorded that complaint statement after the police visited her residence for 4 hours, and she didn't do so on the very day of May 13th when she was allegedly attacked by Vibhav Kumar, but waited 4 days to do so, and then started this entire procedure of getting the medical done and registering an FIR on Vibhav Kumar. And now, of course, the Delhi police, they're continuing its investigation. They have gone to Chief Minister's residence and civil lines, collected evidence, collected CCTV cameras, because this is an important evidence that will actually lead to conclusion of the he said, she said argument between both sides from Swati Maliwal as well as the Aam Aadmi Party. Swati has leveled some very serious allegations in her FIR, saying that she was beaten and bruised by Vibhav Kumar, and there are many injury marks that have been inflicted on her stomach, on her private part. These very serious allegations, and the Aam Aadmi Party former PA Vibhav has filed a counter complaint now, saying that none of that took place and that it was Swati who was allegedly creating a ruckus to enter into the Chief Minister's residence with an intention of causing harm to the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and which is why she was stopped and asked to be removed from the premises. What went down exactly inside will be corroborated by the CCTV footages that have been accessed by the Delhi police. And of course, the case was very important. The FIR was very important for the Delhi police to carry on their investigation. Without a complaint and FIR, they couldn't have done that. Now they have the hand to get in and move forward for evidences. The crime scene was recreated, and we'll have to wait and see whether Vibhav will actually be arrested now by the Delhi police.
Thank you, Milan, for giving us all those details. The big question now is whether Vibhav Kumar will be arrested by the police on the basis of the FIR or not.